Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. Today we'll discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The fast-spreading coronavirus has cast a shadow over financial markets. The epidemic made a direct impact on market quotes and forced analysts to update forecasts for currency pairs. At the same time, market participants take little notice of macroeconomic data. I wonder whether technical experts have changed their recommendations and how exactly. Let's find out from our analyst Peter Yakimovic. Hi Peter, is it right that you earned good profits from the downtrend of the euro-dollar pair?
Hello there traders. Euro versus US dollar basically gave us a good profit since my previous forecast when I alerted you about that head and shoulders pattern based on the daily time frame. And basically the euro dollar right now is just about to test that main downward target at the price of 1.0985. But what I found most recently on this currency pair is that there is a extended run. So we have multiple closes below the 5 SMA, and euro dollar is right now got a first close above. So my advice is basically to still sell the rallies on the euro dollar, and I see more a potential downside on this currency pair. So downward targets are set at a price of 1.0985, then at 1.0950, and something like this, like a third target around 1.0890. So again, because of the extended run in the background, my advice is absolutely to watch for selling opportunities on the rallies on the euro versus US dollar.
The pound-dollar pair seems to be the only trading instrument which dynamic is determined entirely by the event from the economic calendar. The sterling received a boost amid the rhetoric of the Bank of England as a rate cut is out of the question. Do you expect the sterling to develop a long-lasting uptrend?
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is a very interesting situation that is going on because based on the daily time frame, there is a really symmetrical triangle in creation, and that is a very, very important and potential pattern which may lead us to some big explosive movements. So be very, very focused on the potential breakout of this symmetrical triangle and contraction on the daily time frame. So basically, you can watch for the breakout of the 1.3175 level, and if you see the breakout of that to the upside of this, then eventually this will lead us to test of the 1.3285. But on the other side, if you see the breakout of support at the 1.2970 level, then this may lead us to the potential test of the 1.2900 level and 1.2825. So again, a symmetrical triangle in creation, so there is a very we got a very good odds, very high odds that eventually we will break out of this symmetrical triangle and create a new directional move, a new imbalance on the market. So pay attention to this symmetrical triangle and watch for the breakout.
Would you like to discuss other interesting technical signals?
On the USD versus Canadian dollar, there is a very interesting situation because this currency pair basically is going upside. Most recently, I found the breakout, the free bar, 3-day breakout, so break up the 3-day balance into the upside. So my advice is absolutely to watch for to buy on the dips on the day-to-day perspective, and eventually buy on the dips until, for example, 1.3270 or 1.3335. Again, upside pressure there. The short-term trend is bullish, so there is nothing bearish on the USD Canadian dollar. So absolutely watch for buying on the dips and with the first target at the 1.3270 level.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and as always, see you next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.